What my brother is saying, there's a lot of groundnuts at a home in Zimba. Come to take her. There is a lot of groundnuts at home in Muzimba. We love to eat groundnuts in Muzimba with my brother as he's dancing. You know, when we have done with groundnuts, we dance. I say groundnuts, groundnuts. Groundnuts, you know? Groundnuts in Malawi.
You like those groundnuts, do you, Joel?
No problem.
That's your favorite, huh?
Yeah, nice. When it
Grow
comes,
them at home?
yeah. We're doing the music tonight. We want people to be happy. Making our people happy. Malawi and California. We want them to enjoy our mother, our grandpa, to enjoy this earth before we leave.